I really want to tell thanks first of all to all of you for showing love on my iOS 18 video. I really did not expect that video to do so well, and at the same time I really feel that video just blew out. I mean, 400 views is not something I really expected from that video. At the same time, I really appreciate for those of you who have watched it. If you are not watched, do check out the video and the links in the description or on the iCard. And as for the so as I wanted to tell you all, now that we have got iPhone 16 series combined with iOS 18, I feel this is great. The level of customization we have, the level of features we have is all great. Personally, I really like iOS 18 as a whole, and I feel the feature what I was looking for over the years has finally been answered by Apple. Let it be small minor ones, let it be app lock, let it be dark mode for everything. But yes, this is just that extension video. This is my thoughts, not my final thoughts, but this is what something I feel with iOS 18 using it for almost a week or so. One, I love the feature set what iOS 18 has to offer. Second, I'm not sure if this is me who's feeling like iOS 18 with the whole setting overhaul feel a bit overwhelming and sometimes a bit confusing to me. I'm not sure why I feel like that, but I've never felt like this with the previous iOS version, of at least with the settings. This time around the settings with iOS 18 feel a bit confusing to me, I feel. And yes, there's one important thing I really want to tell you all, especially for those who have already updated to iOS 18. Please do toggle off voice note. By default, it's on your iPhone, and the reason why I'm telling you to off this toggle is anytime you receive a call from your loved one or anyone, the call will not go to you. I mean, the call will not get ring to you, and will go on the voice note or a voicemail basically. If you toggle that off, whatever call you're getting, you will get a ring and all the stuff. So I would really tell you, go under setting, go under type voice note or voicemail, whatever, and toggle that off, and you will thank me later as to why I'm saying this. Yep, I'm still not happy with the iOS 18 photos. It's really feels out of place for me at least. But I think what I really like about it is the feature what it has to offer, and I did mention this in my iOS 18 video. You can check that out. Obviously, I really go a bit deep on the feature sets and what I feel about it, but this is just my brief overall thought of iOS 18. I have to get used to the control center, have to get used to certain features, but overall I feel iOS 18 is one such iOS update I really like, and I feel this update everyone should update regardless of which iPhone they have and which iPhone the iOS 18 support. So yeah, that's something I really wanted to talk about and share it with you all, and I hope you've already been using your iPhones and your new iPhone 16s or iPhone 8, you have been updated to iOS 18. So yeah, this is what I really want to tell.